A close look at the world's most extreme car engines. Even if a car has a massive V10, it may not be as powerful as its opponent. This is mostly because building a fast car involves a number of precise details. You must pay attention to the car's design, construction, tires, piston movement, weight, and a number of other factors. That does not imply, however, that the engine is not important. The engine is the primary source of a car's power, hence the difference between two automobiles with identical specifications and designs will depend entirely on how quickly the engine can generate power. Welcome to RaceHub, the one-stop channel where you can find everything about cars and their updates. In today's video, we will go through the world's most extreme car engines. Before getting into the video, please share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Also, tap on the bell icon for notifications. Without further ado, let's get into it. Number 13, BMW M4 CSL. Excellent chassis characteristics and high-revving, naturally aspirated engines were key factors in how BMW Motorsport, later renamed BMW M, established its reputation for performance. It eventually had to give in to the new era of compulsory indoctrination, though, after about 40 years. The 3.0-liter inline-six engine used in the M4 and M4 competition is the same one that BMW M developed for the M4 CSL, which was made in honor of the company's 50th anniversary. However, the boost pressure was increased to a tire-melting 30.5 psi for 543 horsepower. Number 12, Ferrari F8 Tributo or Spider. The inclusion of the prancing horse on this list should come as no surprise, since Ferrari Formula One race cars have long been capable of producing incredible amounts of horsepower with small engines. The aluminum V8 in the F8 Tributo and F8 Spider is no exception. It has two turbochargers to generate 710 rapidly galloping horsepower from just 3.9 liters. Number 11, Ford GT. Ford, which is traditionally known for its V8 power, threw a curveball with the unexpected release of the second-generation Ford GT. The 5.4-liter supercharged V8 that was the centerpiece of this road-going race car's initial iteration was replaced by a twin-turbocharged V6. The new GT's EcoBoost engine can produce a maximum of 660 horsepower from just 3.5 liters of displacement, demonstrating how modern technology can accomplish more with less. Number 10, McLaren 765 LT Spider. McLaren has a strong history in Formula One racing, much like Ferrari, but McLaren doesn't actually make its own engines, unlike Ferrari. Nevertheless, Ricardo's engines help McLaren create some of the most powerful and thrilling supercars in the world, which is in part due to their collaboration. A twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine in the 765 LT and 765 LT Spider generates 755 horsepower. Number 9, Mercedes-AMG CLA 45. It is quite evident that the Mercedes-AMG CLA 45 is not a supercar. Among this exclusive group, it has by a wide margin the smallest engine and the fewest horsepower, but that's the charm of power density. The turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine in this little AMG generates a powerful 382 horsepower output. The CLA 45's EPA-rated 28 miles per gallon highway rating just adds to its list of accomplishments, and with a starting price of just under $57,000, it is affordable to the general public. Number 8, McLaren Artura. In a new generation of hybrid supercars, one or more electric motors are used to supplement the internal combustion engine. The McLaren Artura is one of these vehicles. Although Artura has a 94 horsepower electric motor to provide some assistance, that isn't the topic of this article. What matters more is that its 3-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine screams to 8,500 RPM and produces 577 horsepower all by itself. Number 7, Ferrari SF90 Stradale or Spider. Its first plug-in hybrid is the legendary Ferrari SF90. The real star of this horse show is a frenzied twin-turbocharged V8 engine that unleashes a stampede of 769 horses from 4 liters with the help of 3 electric motors that together account for 217 of its 986 total horsepower. Number 6. Maserati MC20 Cielo. Maserati hasn't made a full-throttle sports vehicle or supercar in a while, but evidently someone roused a sleeping giant. The Nettuno twin-turbo 3-liter V6 engine in the MC20 uses Formula One technology directly to create one of the most potent engines on the market right now. Aren't you eager to know the rest? Before moving on, make sure to subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell icon so you won't miss any more videos when they're posted. Number 5. Bugatti Chiron Supersport. Okay, so not every engine on this list can be classified as small, but when the output is a jaw-dropping 1,578 horsepower, the displacement becomes relevant. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport's technical specifications aren't insignificant at all. With 8 liters, 16 cylinders, not 1, not 2, but 4 turbochargers, all-wheel drive, and a manufacturer's stated top speed of 273 miles per hour, this vehicle is equipped. Its $3,825,000 base price may have some justification because it is nothing short of an engineering wonder. The 8-liter W16 engine in the Bugatti Chiron has 4 turbochargers and is unquestionably the fastest in the business. 187.5 horsepower per liter, or 1,479 horsepower, is the maximum output of this engine. The good news is that not all units have been sold out yet, largely due to the expensive $2.75 million purchase price. Number 4. Ferrari 296 GTB. Because it has been over 48 years since a Ferrari road car with fewer than 8 cylinders was produced, it is difficult to imagine anything less than 8 cylinders in a Ferrari. The story isn't depressing, though. This particular 3-liter V6 engine has 2 turbochargers, and it can unleash 654 horsepower at a wonderful 8,500 RPM. There are a few minor characteristics, such as a V6 arrangement resembling the McLaren Artura and an electrical assist with 164 horsepower. The 296 GTB, however, holds the record for having the most horsepower per liter of any production vehicle currently on the market, according to the math. Number 3. Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Lamborghini began by manufacturing tractors, but today it specializes in high-performance vehicles. Although it's not the fastest Lamborghini, this is the model that regular consumers can purchase. This is the 10-cylinder production vehicle engine with the greatest power. When coupled with the Huracan Performante, the engine, which has a maximum output of 630 horsepower, can deliver a tremendous amount of power to the driver. Number 2. The Ferrari GTC4 Lusso. When discussing exceptional cars with potent engines, this is another that deserves your attention. Ferrari has made sure to provide this car with excellent looks as well as tremendous power, despite coming from a strong heritage. The phrase "car with beauty and brains" is a running joke in the industry when referring to this vehicle. The naturally aspirated V12 that is now installed in this car gives you an idea of how powerful it is. A minimum of 680 horsepower and 697 newton-meters of torque are generated by this machine. Number 1. The Porsche 911 GT2 RS. When compared to the V10s and V12s described above, you might assume a V6 engine is inferior, but this vehicle will show you how wrong you are. The most potent 6-cylinder engine you can get for the money is this most recent variant from Porsche's 911 lineup. The 911 GT2 RS is without a doubt the most potent model of the vehicle available, not just on the market, but across the whole Porsche lineup. The 3.8-liter bi-turbo engine produces 184.2 horsepower per liter and has a staggering 690 horsepower peak output. This vehicle underwent testing at the Nürburgring, where it bested the Lamborghini Huracan with a lap time of 6:47.03. That's all for today. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Express your valuable thoughts in the comments section below. Until then, also spend some time watching other videos on the channel. Bye!